We have one of the coolest things that you will need if you are outside camping, sporting events, whatever outdoor activities you got going on. Right here, we have the Infinity X1 solar fan. And I have to say, salute to Infinity for sending this out. I have reviewed a few of their products before. I bought them from Costco, reviewed them. They turned out pretty good. I love the brand. They make very cool products. So if you have never seen any of my reviews, I will link them at the end of this video. So salute to them for sending it out. They said they want an honest review. So let's go ahead and get into it. Unbox it. First thing that comes out, the instructions. We'll get to that later. Water tube. All right. And here we go. So we have a 7-liter reservoir. Let's see if we clip these down. And there you go. We have the fan straps. It comes equipped with a ring light, carrying handle. Turn it around, push it down. Solar panel. If you don't want to use solar or you don't have access to solar to charge this, you can charge it with. So just flip the dust case open and then there you go. You have USB and then USB Type-C. Put it in. Push in when you clamp, push in, and then that's it. So I will do the rest of the review outside, but I just wanted to show y'all that. Let's go ahead, fill it up with water, and then go over the rest of the features. All right, so you have your dial knob right here to turn the fan on, and then the fan turns on. When you have the fan on, make sure that you're not blocking it with your solar. Make sure your solar is down. Then you have over here your time. So you have 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. Over this side, you have your mister. I do have water in it, but it's aiming right in my face, so I'm not going to do it right now. And then you have your light. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's a ring light, right? But when you turn it on, it is very powerful. You have, I believe, 3 levels of lighting. 1, 2, and then 3. And this third light lights up my whole backyard, okay? I can see damn near everything in the backyard. Again, this is 10 o'clock at night. When I aim it, you can see the sheds and all the stuff that, you know, that's in the back. It does come with a strap. You can easily just strap it right here and then strap on the other side, and then you're good to go. So this is number 1. And yes, you still feel the fan. Eco mode lasts for 24 hours. Low mode lasts for 12 hours. Medium mode lasts for 7 hours. And high mode lasts 4 hours. So if you're taking this out to any sporting events, soccer game, football game, definitely is going to last. Another important one is the misting. These numbers right here that I'm gonna give you, these are astronomical numbers. These numbers are unbelievable. No other misting fan has these type of numbers. We're gonna turn it on. Once you have it on and you go on level 1, number 1 right there lasts 25 hours. So if you have this on 1 and this on 1, it will last the whole day, all day. All right, I'm going to post the specs for y'all so y'all can see. So level 1, 25 hours. Level 2 is 16 hours. Level 3 is 10 hours. And then level 4 is 18 hours. Level 4 is all of them, but it will be doing on and off mist. So level 4, we have the ring light. Level 1 is 65 lumens. So they said this is 65 lumens. Number 2 is 160 lumens. And then number 3 is 500 lumens. This is amazing. And again, like I told y'all, if y'all need to carry it, you got a strap right here. You can use the strap to carry it. You have a handle on top. You have charging right here in the back, so you don't have to worry about charging it through the USB. And when you're done, you can pop it open, stick it upside down, put it back, and then you have your handle that's on the bottom. When you turn it around, and there goes your other handle right there. You see that? Pretty cool. You want to put your mister right through that port right there. This port right there. This port right here is an exhaust port. And that will be all, you guys. This is a Costco exclusive for now. If you plan on going to Costco, go ahead, look around for it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.